What's going on, everybody? It's Costa Mesa Dave. I'm out front at Signature Glass Tinting, and you're looking at a 2018 Dodge Hellcat. We just pulled it from the back. We tinted all the side windows with the Lumar Ceramic CTX 15%, and the back window was tinted with the Lumar CTX 5%. Every piece of film on this car was digitally cut. All the roll-up windows were filed and shaved. We use the Tint 2020 cutting system, so all the windows turn out really, really nice. The front windshield was tinted with what's called the Lumar Air 80. This film stops 99.9% of the harmful UV rays and blocks a bunch of heat. As you can see, everything on this car looks really, really nice. Lifetime manufacturer's warranty, plus our world famous Signature no charge, no fault guarantee that protects all the side windows. If you ever scratch the window film, if the window's ever broken, car accident, vandalism, whatever happens, just bring it back and we'll retint the car for free. Signature Glass Tinting, Costa Mesa, California. Find us on the web, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook. We're everywhere. If you want to see what people have to say about us, check out our reviews on Yelp. Signature Glass Tinting.